So as you have seen in my video, today I'll be making delicious potato tacos. That too is the most simplest way. This recipe is a must try because I have used very less ingredients. All the ingredients are commonly available in our kitchen and the taste turned out to be super awesome. Try this recipe when you want to have something very quick, get trendy and delicious. Desi tacos or potato cheese tacos, you will love the taste of this recipe. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Food Corner English. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you're new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. Let's begin with this awesome recipe of desi tacos. For that I need to make a dough. 3 cup of whole wheat flour I've used, around 400 grams, some salt around half teaspoon, oil I have used 1 teaspoon, and now I need to mix. After mixing for around few seconds, I'll add water little by little to make a nice smooth dough. The dough should not be stiff, neither it should be soft. A nice smooth dough. So this is how the dough is looking. Apply some oil and then I'll cover it for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll prepare the stuffing for the tacos. I have used a pan here. To it, I will add 4 tablespoons of oil, normal cooking oil, 6 to 7 dry red chilies I have added. This amount is perfect for the amount of potatoes I have taken. You can alter according to your taste. Just roast them on medium flame till they are nice crunchy. It will take maximum 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. And as you can see, the chilies have turned color. They have nicely sauteed. They have nicely roasted in oil. And this I'll take out, and this oil has all the flavors of these chilies. 2 large size onions I have sliced. These goes in. Saute on high flame for first 1 minute and then reduce the flame to medium. Then we'll add ginger 1 inch. I have grated it, and salt 1 teaspoon. This will help these onions to be nicely caramelized. We don't want a golden fried onion. We want nice caramelized sweet onions. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame, and then 1 large capsicum or green bell pepper I have used. I have sliced them, and after adding the bell pepper, increase the flame and saute for 2 to 3 minutes, and then that's it. Turn off the flame and our capsicum fried onions are ready. The bell pepper should have a crunch. That's the trick here. Let it cool, and meanwhile these dried red chilies I'll take in a bowl. I'll add around 1/4 teaspoon of salt and I'll crush them. If you want, you can use gloves or you can use a mixer grinder. Just crush the chilies, add the sauteed onions and capsicum, and 3 large potatoes I have taken. These are boiled and peeled. I'll crush them, and meanwhile I have also squeezed around half a lemon or 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and these potatoes should be nicely mashed with this onions, chilies and capsicum. You can taste salt at this stage, and the stuffing is ready. And our dough has been resting. Just knead it again to make it super smooth, and the dough is looking perfect to me. Divide into 2 parts and I'll work in with 1 part. Just in this way, make it smooth between your palms. Apply some dry flour, basic atta, what we call whole wheat flour, and then I need to roll out into a big sheet, basically around 30 centimeter of sheet I had rolled out so that I could cut out taco shells from this. So roll it, but make sure the sheet should not be thin. That's the trick here. It should be a bit thick. So this is it. I have rolled out, and now I'll use a cutter, or you can use a ball, steel ball, to cut out, or as I said, you can see here 30 centimeters I have rolled out, and the thickness is nicely done. It's not too thin, neither too thick. It should be medium, and I have used this steel ball to cut out the taco shells. You can also make small dough balls and then roll them out as we do for puri, but this step ensures that all the taco shells are of the same size and same texture. So I always prefer this way, and this process takes just few minutes. This is it. Remove the outer covering, the layer that we had cut out, and our whole wheat taco shells are ready. It's the quickest and simplest way to make desi taco shells at home. And if you wish to know the recipe of Domino's style tacos, I have already uploaded. I'll share the link in the description box. But for this recipe, this is the simplest and the quickest way. Now I just need to put these taco shells in medium flame on a nice griddle for just few seconds, maybe 10 to 30 seconds. Once I have just placed them, flip it over. I'll just flip after 5 to 6 seconds. Basically, we want this to be done just 30 to 40%. The elasticity should be there in the taco shells. It should not be too crunchy, otherwise it will break once we fold them. Just for few seconds. It's just 30% done. You can see from the color. That's it. After 15 to 20 seconds I have flipped it and it's done. I'll take them out from heat, and this I'll use as taco shells because we'll again roast them after adding the stuffing. And my desi taco shells are done with whole wheat flour. Everything is ready. The taco shells are done here, and I have some grated cheese. I have used mozzarella cheese and the stuffing. Some tomato ketchup I'll be using. So let's make this tasty lovely tacos. I have taken one taco shell. First I'll apply some nice tomato ketchup. It's the hot and soft flavor. I just love it. And then to it some mozzarella cheese. Spread uniformly, and then comes our stuffing. This stuffing has such delicate flavors: capsicum and caramelized onions, the chilies, ginger. Spread it and just using a spoon level the sides in this way, and then I'll just hold it in between my hands in this way and apply some. I'll add some more mozzarella cheese, and then very gently I'll just fold it in this way. See how beautiful these tacos are looking. Quick, delicious and simple. Nothing can be more simple than this, and I have prepared according to my requirement. You can also pre-prepare these taco shells, and when you are in need, when you need to make the tacos, then just do this process. And I'll roast these tacos in a flat griddle or tawa. First, initially for 1 minute I'll roast them, and then I'll apply some oil. You can also apply some butter, but I have applied some olive oil, and this will be roasted in around 2 to 3 minutes. Nice crunchy shells we have made from whole wheat flour, and soft and succulent cheese. The cheese would be melting. Delicious potatoes. You can see here the cheese has started to melt. Just flip it over in this way and hold these taco shells in this position for few seconds so that the base can also be roasted. It's done. Lovely potato tacos are ready. You can see how nice the cheese is oozing out. Again, it depends upon your taste how much cheese you want to introduce to your tacos, but I just love the smell and taste of this melting cheese. Try this recipe. Best, easiest and quickest way to make the desi tacos, that too from whole wheat flour. All the ingredients are basic ingredients as you had seen. These are readily available in our homes. Potatoes, cheese, chilies, ginger, that's it, and a delicious meal is ready. You can also, as I said, pre-prepare the tacos and the stuffing, and then if you want you can just prepare these tacos immediately. You will love the flavors and the amalgamation of the taste. Try this to believe me. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is from Sampati Priyanka. She writes, I have tried your kadhai chicken, rohi macho tarkari, pons tarkari, egg tadka, tandoori chicken, easy chicken curry, garlic prawn, tacos, cheese burst pizza, all were superb. Today I'll be trying your chili mushroom. Loved your voice and the way you explained the whole recipe. I request you to make barley prawn if possible. Thank you Sampati for such lovely comment. I am so glad you have tried my lots of recipes, and I hope that your next recipe will also turn out superb. Thank you for letting me know. Stay safe and stay connected. And this recipe of desi tacos or potato cheese tacos, the sheer hit, try it to believe me. The simplicity of the dish will touch you. And if you want, you can also follow Sue's Food Corner in Instagram and Facebook. If you have loved today's video, do give a thumbs up. It really matters. And share with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.